Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with an image and a clear goal. Find matching YouTube videos. Open Google Images or Google Lens now and upload the picture. Once done, copy any visible text or unique objects you see. Those become search keywords. Then construct a query using site, YouTube, com plus your keywords. This narrows results to YouTube only. Make sure to keep the image handy for iterative tries, because the first search often needs refinement to find exact matches. Now you refine the search so results become useful. Paste site, YouTube, com and include quoted text from the image like event name or a visible sign. Quotes force exact matches. Add other descriptors, location, person name, or object to filter. If results are noisy, crop the image and repeat, because a focused frame often yields better keywords. Use different permutations. Each change can expose videos indexed under varied titles or descriptions. Finish by verifying matches carefully. Open candidate videos and scan descriptions, captions, and comments for clues linking them to your image. Make sure to use YouTube filters, upload date and duration, to remove unrelated clips. If nothing matches, troubleshoot. Take a cleaner screenshot, crop to the most distinctive element, or run the image through TinEye or Google Lens again for different keyword ideas. Finally, iterate. Slightly different search terms often uncover the exact video you need.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.